Welcome to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing issues by performing a Konka Smart TV factory reset step by step. Make sure the Konka Smart TV is placed on a stable surface with clear access to buttons and ports. Check that the Konka Smart TV remote has working batteries before starting the reset process. Power on the Konka Smart TV and wait until the home screen or error screen appears. Using the remote, press the menu button on the Konka Smart TV slowly and carefully. Navigate to settings on the Konka Smart TV using the arrow keys. Scroll down and select Device Preferences on the Konka Smart TV screen. Inside Device Preferences, locate the Reset option on the Konka Smart TV. Select Factory Data Reset on the Konka Smart TV to continue. Read the warning message shown on the Konka Smart TV carefully. Confirm the Factory Reset option on the Konka Smart TV using the OK button. Allow the Konka Smart TV a few seconds to process the reset command. If the Konka Smart TV is frozen, unplug the power cable from the wall socket. Hold the physical power button on the Konka Smart TV for 10 seconds. This power drain helps clear temporary glitches in the Konka Smart TV. Plug the power cable back into the Konka Smart TV securely. Turn on the Konka Smart TV and wait for the logo to appear. If the Konka Smart TV shows the setup screen, the reset has started successfully. If the Konka Smart TV does not respond, locate the side control button. Press and hold the button while plugging power back into the Konka Smart TV. Keep holding until the recovery menu appears on the Konka Smart TV. Use the button to navigate to wipe data on the Konka Smart TV menu. Select Factory Reset from the recovery options on the Konka Smart TV. Confirm the selection to begin the Konka Smart TV reset process. Wait patiently as the Konka Smart TV clears all stored data. Do not unplug the Konka Smart TV during this process. The Konka Smart TV will reboot automatically after the reset. When rebooted, the Konka Smart TV will display the initial setup screen. Select your language on the Konka Smart TV using the remote. Connect the Konka Smart TV to your Wi-Fi network. Sign into your Google account if required on the Konka Smart TV. Skip optional steps to speed up the Konka Smart TV setup. Check the Konka Smart TV home screen for smooth performance. Open a basic app on the Konka Smart TV to test responsiveness. Adjust display settings on the Konka Smart TV if needed. Check sound output to confirm the Konka Smart TV audio works properly. Reconnect external devices to the Konka Smart TV one by one. Ensure HDMI cables are firmly plugged into the Konka Smart TV ports. Observe the Konka Smart TV for freezing or lag issues. The factory reset usually fixes software bugs on the Konka Smart TV. Restart the Konka Smart TV once more for stability. Keep the Konka Smart TV firmware updated in the future. Avoid unplugging the Konka Smart TV during updates. This helps prevent system corruption on the Konka Smart TV. If issues persist, repeat the reset process on the Konka Smart TV. Most performance problems are solved with a Konka Smart TV factory reset. Your Konka Smart TV should now run smoothly. Thanks for trusting Tech Vibes for your Konka Smart TV fix. Like the video if this Konka Smart TV guide helped you. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more Konka Smart TV troubleshooting videos.